So today we're going to test this cheap vintage lens. So I was laughing my ass off when I saw how it looked, but we will still be laughing after testing it out. Let's find out. I think this lens was like 30 euros, which is really cheap for a lens. It's written in Russian, but if I'm correct, this is the Industar 104, and someone took this lens from a disposable camera and just transformed it to something you can put on your Sony. I'm standing in a random park. The plan was to shoot in Schans, but I forgot people exist and it was so busy over there. So I just decided to go on a hike and find other cool spots. On my way I already made some pictures, and the first thing I already noticed is that you can change the aperture, which might make the challenge even harder. But I'm pretty sure this will make me a better photographer, so let's go! I don't know why, but this tree looks really cool. So let's take a picture. Let's go down. So I just finished work and I have a break, so I thought let's take some pictures over here. And I'm currently on the countryside. Taking pictures in nature is definitely something I would like to do more. Like I said in the beginning, you can change the aperture, so I had to change my shutter speed the whole time. And this wasn't even the biggest challenge. The biggest challenge was to keep everything in focus. It's really hard to focus with this lens. And I took some pictures really close and I could really see it has like a wide aperture. It's written on the lens that's like an aperture of 28, but I assume they mean 2.8 because it's really wide. And the autofocus also didn't really work well with this lens, so I did everything manually. Yes. It's gonna be awesome. And on the third day I got really comfortable with this camera, especially because it's so small, it could like fit in my pocket. And these are probably the favorite pictures I took with this lens. I also noticed there's like specks of colors on the side, which gives like this vintage look, but it wasn't necessary in every situation. Hey, hey kitty. So the conclusion is, it's probably not the best and sharpest lens out there, but it's a lens if you would like to improve your photography. Having this limitation will help you to deal with them, and it will probably make you a better photographer. I definitely know I improved manual focusing and also composition. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the gear you have, but how you use the gear. So let me know down in the comments which picture you like the most, and before you go, YouTube thinks you might like this video, so definitely check it out, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!